Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos, and if you wish to see more of my videos, then please do subscribe to my channel and join me on all social media sites. So in today's video I will be unboxing my April Bellabox. So this is the box which came in email last Friday, so I haven't opened it. It's all packed. It comes like this, and I just did a video filming this Kate Sparkle ring review, so it will go up on Wednesday. So this video will go up on Sunday and this video will go up on Wednesday, so just watch that video too. Just because this is the first time me doing the review of this ring, like a jewelry review for the first time here on my channel. So do watch for that video, and literally the ring is so beautiful. I won't be sharing with you guys here. I am just telling you guys just because it's a review. It's sent to me by this company, Kate Sparkle. So yeah, just look for the video. It will go up on Wednesday. So today's video I will be doing the unboxing of my April Bellabox. So let me just open this. So yeah, as usual, the box is a blue box which looks like this. As usual, packed like this. So for those of you who don't know what Bellabox is, it's a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full size to sample size products. So in each box, sometimes you get 1 to 3 full size products. For me, I get like this. So yeah, if you are interested, I will leave the link below in the description box, and you will get a discount if you like buy for the first time. You'll get a 10% discount, I think. I will leave everything below in the description box, and this box is only available in Australia and New Zealand. So let's see what's in this box. So first thing is the card which says #NoFilter April 2019. So it's no filter week, and at the back it has lots of products. I can see some good ones here. So first product is this Steve LAURANT Precision Tip Liner. Wow, so eyeliner, I love it. So it looks like this. So Steve LAURANT, I have got their what you call a tinted lip balm. So I really like that tinted lip balm, so I did use it in one of the Bellabox. If you guys haven't seen it, like, I think I should show you guys. Okay, I got it. So this is the tinted lip balm I got before in my Bellabox, which is so cool. This one is cherry lip gloss. Oh, it looks like this, and like when you apply this lip balm on your lips, it stays tinted until you wipe it off. It stays tinted. So like it's literally so beautiful, and it like matches my lips so well too. So and a little bit of this product goes a long way, which is so good. And I love Steve LAURANT product just because I love this lip balm. It's so good. Like it is like a lip balm, but it says it's a lip gloss. So let's see this product, how it is. And it's in shade black, which is written here, black, and it says connect with us at Steve LAURANT Beauty on Instagram and Facebook, and www.stevelaurant.com, which it says here. So yeah, let's open and see. And it is a precision pen liner. Precision. Oh wow. So let me first take out this plastic. So it looks like this. It's a very thin liner, and oh wow, it's a pen liner, one of my favorite stuffs. I love using pen liner, and it's so like I'm applying on top of the lashes, so just bear with me. It's a black liner. Wow, it's very black and it's very thin tip, so it will apply so well. It's very black, and like it's I think it doesn't come off easily, but it's a full-size product, retails for $33.87, available at stevelawrent.com. It says, finding the perfect black liner is no easy feat, but it looks like we can finally draw the line. This month's full-size Steve Laurent Precision Tip Liner is a it's a treat for all, featuring a thin applicator for the perfect wing or enhancing your natural look into a soft glam. So like this pen eyeliners are so good. I love it, and this has a very thin tip which applies so well too, and like I love it. So the second product is this one. It's a PATCHOLOGY. I don't know whether I am saying it right or not, but it's PATCHOLOGY FLASHPATCH Rejuvenating Eye Gels. So it says here, ditch the smoky eye for a fresh face look. PATCHOLOGY. I don't know. I can't say it. So it's a rejuvenating eye gels are the fast fix for tired eyes, thanks to the formula that combines caffeine and hydrolyzed collagen. Make it your go-to depuffing, hydrating, and soothing the eye area. So I think you apply under your eye. It's a patch, so it is like this shape. I got one before which I haven't used it. It's this one by Black. It's like last month or other month's Bellabox. I got this one which I haven't used it, but this product is okay. It's retails only for $4.22, available at Mecca. Now Mecca is sending products to, like, Mecca is just around here in Westfield. It's just open few like I think last month. It's open here in Kumra, Westfield. So yeah, I love to go there someday. I haven't been there, so yeah, I will go there. So this is only for $4.22, which is good. And the third product is this KAWAII brush cleansing egg. It's really good, really handy, and I don't think this product costs a lot. So this is just like this. You can buy, I think, from eBay too. You can just search on like brush cleaning products or brush cleaning mat or something. This product will come up, and I bought few of these from eBay already, like long time ago, and like I have been using one, and it is really good. You can just like hold, like put your finger like this, hold it like this. I usually do like this, and like you rub your brush in here with some of the brush cleansing gel. You can also just put your shower gel on here and rub your makeup brush. It will clean so easily. It's good to clean big brushes here and small ones here, which is so good. And I got few already, so I won't be using this one because I have got one already out. So yeah, this is a good product, and it says it's a full-size product. KAWAII is here to make brush maintenance a little easier. The brand's silicone brush cleansing egg is detailed with grooves. I think these spiky parts are called grooves, and to look after your bristles and while retaining the brush shape, lather with soap or shampoo to wash away product build up. So you can just use any soap or anything, it will just come off. I usually use my hand wash or like face wash or shower gel, and you can also use shampoo too. So it's really a good product if you want something for affordable price, and the price of this product is only $11, available at KAWAIIenterprise.com. So the next product is this, the Humble toothbrush. Got a toothbrush? Oh, so this is the toothbrush. This is how it looks, and it says go humble, give smile. And let's see, I don't want to open it, but lots of toothbrush, so it's good to try new ones. It has a, wow, it's really soft, and it says here, looks like this, it's a wood handle, and it says humble brush here, and it says make the switch to bamboo. I'd say bamboo, it's not a wood, bamboo is a wood. With the best-selling toothbrush from the Humble Co, it boasts a handle that's made from 100% biodegradable and sustainable ground bamboo. Take care of your gums and Mother Nature too. So this brush is available in Priceline, and you can also get from priceline.com.au, and it's only for $5.99. So I might give this to my son to use it, because why not? So the next product is this BIODERMA HYDRABIO gel cream. So this is just a sample size gel cream, light moisturizing care. It looks like this. So this is just a sample size cream, gel cream. Smells really good, and it's really beautiful. Like, it smooths out the skin so well. And let's see, it says here BIODERMA knows that radiant skin is in, which is why the brand is treating our Bellas to its Hydra Bio Gel Cream. It's paraben free, hypoallergic, and smoothest skin texture using aquagenium. Better yet, it doubles as a primer for dry skin. So you can use this cream under makeup as a primer too, so which is so good, and like it feels really good, and it smooths out the skin so well. So this product costs for $42. A full size of this product costs for $42.99, available at adobeauty.com.au, and a full size like 40 ml costs for $42.99. This is only 5 ml product, which is really good. Why not? It's good to try before you buy. Like maybe next time I'll do a makeup tutorial video, I will use this as a primer, so you guys will know how it goes when I apply foundation on top of this. So yeah, I think this was it. Yeah, this was it. And I also got a I think this one is just a free sample which says SHEA soft smooth shampoo. So it's a silicone free SHEA soft and smooth shampoo, OGX. I think this one I've used one time. This is just a sample, which is really good to get samples and try before you go actually to shops to buy them. Like if you buy full-size product and you don't like it, it's just waste. Yeah, sometimes you can't retain it, but most of the shops like allow you to retain used product too. Like if you use few, like little bit of it, you can just retain it if you don't like it, I think. Yeah, some of the shops. So yeah, this was it. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and comment below if you wish to see my future videos, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.